welcome back to the Miniac, and today's video is another very different one. As you can see, I am not present in this video whatsoever, but a very special 2014 Mini Cooper S with John Cooper Works Tuning Kit is. This car is owned by Gabriel Galvin, otherwise known as Mayo Chickens on Instagram, so I will include a link to his Instagram account in the description of the video below. This is one seriously impressive 2014 Mini Cooper S, and I had to have a long distance review on this car. I just couldn't believe how cool it is. For one, it is wrapped in satin white pearl, which I have no clue what the original color is underneath, but I can assume this is just a beautiful car. He has done a JCW Pro Tuning Kit on the car, JCW Pro valvetronic exhaust, decatted downpipe and fully decatted exhaust, JCW Pro Carbon Fiber tips from the factory, JCW Pro Diffuser, JCW Pro Illuminated door sills. You can see where I'm going with this. He has done a lot of JCW stuff on this car. 225 Bridgestone Potenza semi-slick tires, 18-inch Sparco lightweight wheels. The car has an automatic transmission, but that's not a terrible thing, as the 2014 model year was the one that had the crank walk issue with the manual gearbox. Has a panoramic sunroof, leatherette interior, carbon fiber steering wheel with carbon fiber bits, GP3 Concept headlights, GP3 Concept interior strut bar, black LED Union Jack taillights, dual AG hood with carbon fiber bits, dual AG spoiler with carbon fiber bits, dual AG carbon fiber intake system, dual AG mirrors, dual AG front lip. You can see where I'm going with this. He has done JCW Pro and dual AG, so there's not a single thing that hasn't been tricked out on this car, with the exception of the seats, of course. Ultra Racing engine strut bar, JB4 Tuning Software, drilled and slotted rotors, special order from factory, rear seat delete and covers made by him, BC Racing BR Series coilovers, gloss black painted JCW Pro fender trims, gloss black painted exterior accents. Top speed of the car was tested in a safe road with a professional driver at 160 miles per hour. Due to stock parts in this vehicle and pushing such power in this vehicle, he unfortunately did some damage to the original engine and voided his warranty, so he is not too concerned about modifications as far as this car goes. Bottom line is, this is one fantastic F56 Mini Cooper S, and it has been fully tricked out to be the best. And I think this is just one of the most fantastic vehicles, and he has pictures of this car all over Instagram. So if you want to check out this vehicle and get a better idea about what goes on with this car, see some more cool stuff that he has about the vehicle, go over to his Instagram in the description below and check it out. It is incredible. It's a really, really nicely done car, and tell him the Miniac sent you. He'll appreciate that. But this is just a great vehicle, and I really am pleased that he allowed me to do this video. If you're interested in having your car featured on the channel and in this very similar format, feel free to reach out to me, send me videos, send me photographs, and I'll put together another video just for you to showcase your fantastic Mini Cooper. But if you enjoyed this, go check out, I'm going to link the JCW playlist to this car, because this car is on par with a John Cooper Works, not just a Mini Cooper hardtop. But go check out that playlist, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. And as always, life is too short to drive a boring car, so drive a Mini. I'll see you all in the next video.